Here is the room. So first thing first, this rug is everything. Chanel rug for the low. Link in the bio, link in the description. Y'all can click that and go ahead and order it. They have it in black and white and as well as pink and white. I chose a black and white one because my room is already so pink that I feel like it would have been washed out, and I feel like the black and the white brings out the little black details in my room. I don't know if it's making sense to you, but it does make sense to my creative eye. Over here we have my rack of tracksuits. In the previous room I had the same rack, but I had to move it into this room. I had to make it work. Here in this bin I have all of my handbags, or like most of my handbags. I need to downsize on storage. This bin was perfect to like store everything inside. Now right here we have the closet. Nothing really changed. I have like all of my denim jackets, my jumpsuits. Here I have all of my tops. Like that's more like fall, winter-ish, some summer too, but this is not all that I have. I have my Hello Kitty denim jacket, which I love so much, as well as my Christian Audigier zip-up sweater. All my pants are like folded up here. I want to show off some of my purses. So here is my red and gold apple bottom purse. Super cute. I need to wear her more often. I just don't. I've definitely posted up in this handbag right here, pink and gold by South Pole. She is fabulous. Yes, she's peeling, as you can see on the side. I'm just gonna paint her pink like nothing is happening. But yeah, I love her. I think I got her for like maybe 30 or 40 bucks, which isn't that bad. I also have these crocodile baby Phat boots. The tracksuits are here. I have a few handbags, like juicy bags. Might just put some on the website. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see some juicy couture handbags on the website, because I do have a lot and I don't really reach for them a lot. In this bin, I do have a baby Phat bag. Don't know if I've already posted up in her. I've definitely worn her a lot. Maybe I just don't take pictures when I do. I have this Rockaware brown and gold purse, which I love a lot. Here we have Chloe holding my accessories. Here I have a few of my like perfumes, my scents. So here I got Miss Dior. That was gifted to me by a customer who was feeling me. I got him to buy that for me from Sephora and other stuff. Here I have Fairy Dust. So this is like a dusting powder that has glitter. Golden Goddess baby Phat perfume. I do love her a lot. I try not to wear her as much because they're so rare to come across. My baby Phat Fabulosity perfume. This one has a more like of a sweet scent, like a more like vanilla scent to it. I also have the Mariah Carey butterfly pink one. Like this one reminds me of my high school days. I had this one back in high school. If you know, you know. Golden Goddess in the box. Fabulosity one in the box. Up here I do have a mini baby Phat bag in pink and black. Here's my famous wall. I made my own little collages when it comes to like a few of these photos. Like here, just like a collage that I made. This is also a collage that I made. This is also a collage that I made. Here I have my mirror that I got from Winners. I forgot the price I paid for her. I believe she was under $100. Love her so much. I am taller than the mirror, but you know, I can see myself still, so I do love her. I feel like it fits the vibe. We got Rockaware purse. I don't really wear her as much. I think I only wore her once. I have my fluffy pink baby Phat bucket hat. Here in the packaging, I do have baby Phat slippers, house slippers. I have yet to wear them because I don't want to get them messed up. As well, I do have a Bratz kit guitar for decoration. Just love to have that. Down here, my Hello Kitty alarm clock. I love this alarm clock a lot because it has a built-in projector. So literally at night, when I'm sleeping and I like say if I wake up in the middle of the night, I just look up on the ceiling and it projects the time. So here I have some of my other jewelries, my accessories and stuff. Got some rings. It's kind of a mess. I try not to stress about it because every time I organize them, it just gets messy again. So what is the point? You see, I even have earrings here on the floor that need to be picked up. More CDs laying down here. Nina Sky, Foxy Brown, again, because apparently I'm her twin. Here I do have some binders. So one Hello Kitty, one little Bratz, baby Phat shoe boxes. My little Bratz head. She's so gorgeous. More CDs. Y'all can read. Y'all can see who's there. Okay. Piggy bank. Juicy. Glasses case. Agenda. We have a speaker. I have a Bratz Kids. This Bratz phone is the littest phone ever, guys. Got it once, it broke. My mom bought it back because I was like, I want it back. Like, I was crying because it wasn't working anymore. But basically, this phone, you can prank call people with. Like, you can change your voice. So it's either that it gives you like a high pitch, Alvin and the Chipmunk type vibe voice, or that deep man voice. Here I have my Hello Kitty vintage CD player. Here I do have another Bratz phone that I got off eBay. I was kind of pissed when I received it because this part was detached, so I had to like tape it for now. I don't know how to get it fixed, but yeah, for now it's staying like that. I have another Bratz head that needs some help. Here are all of my stuffed animals. I do have stuff that I do want to get rid of. Like, I do have some pillows that I want to sell to y'all, so I need to, like, nitpick and sell. I'm definitely not selling all of my Bratz ones. It would be like, if I do have them twice, I will sell, but other than that, I'm keeping the most of them. I have a Destiny Child's poster, a Girls Rule poster, and a Sheridan Bratz Forever Diamonds poster. Moving on to this little wall, I also have a Bratz Rock Angels mini bag. That's another purse that I wouldn't wear out, but I just love having, collecting. Hello Kitty poster, calendar. Keisha Shante poster. And here I have a picture of me and my grandmother. I have another Bratz Forever Diamond Sheridan clock. Two Bratz bags. Now that I'm in my 30s, I would not wear that outside, okay? I do have a few Bratz babies. This one I got off, I'm pretty sure, Facebook Market like years ago. I don't remember where I got her. I know I got her from Facebook Marketplace because I went to the country to get it. My coworker's boyfriend's mom sold this to me, basically. The Bratz Forever Diamonds one is from the same lady. I've always had like a shelf with my Bratz dolls on it, like even when I was living with my parents. This one, I can't really remember where I got her, honestly. I can't remember. Jade Rock Angels in the back. I don't want to touch them because I don't want them to fall, but you see her? So I actually got her from Toronto, and it came with a Bratz magazine and like other stuff, so I was like really hyped when I saw that bundle. I remember asking my own cousin to get it for me, but she didn't want to get it for me, but a boy that I was friends with back in the day was willing to do it for me. But anyways, don't want to go on a rant about that, but yeah. This one, I thrifted the bag and with the DVD. So this is like the Bratz Starring and Styling animated DVD. I have this one too right here. More up here. I do have these two Littlest Pet Shop in the box. They're like current, they're not vintage, that I got from Littlest Pet Shops. And I have this. Oh, you see? That's why I don't want to touch. This I got off Depop like way back in like 2020. One I also got this like little Bratz thing I'm not touching, 2020. And all like the little trinkets you're seeing, pretty much. The one in the back is from my childhood. And these trinkets, well, they are from Value Village, I believe. This speaker is also from Depop. The dolls, some of them are from my childhood, and then some of them were thrifted down the line. So I can't really tell you which one. Like, I do know, but yeah, I'm not going to go into it. This poster, Facebook Market, guys, go on Facebook Market. Got her for like maybe 50 bucks. So this is like a green Rockaware handbag, thrifted as well. Betsy Johnson, pretty much thrifted as well. This one I bought off someone for like maybe $100 something, but there is some peeling, sadly. This one also I bought off someone. Here's my vanity section, my makeup section. These are my three favorite foundations. I have my Melody setting spray, my Broken blush by Rimmel. I've been getting a lot of PR, so because of that, my makeup collection is getting bigger. I've never really been like a huge makeup girly, to be honest. But yeah, I'm happy because I'm receiving makeup. So that means I should be making more makeup videos. Singular track tops. There's no room. Because in the winter, when it gets cold, I like to wear a little zip-up sweater with a denim type situation. Jogging pants, all of like my belts. Down here, I do have my sunglasses rack. I was so happy when I came across this one at a thrift store. I was like, this one was made for me because I do have a lot of sunglasses. I do have more, but some of them are going to be for the style bundles. If you order a style bundle, you're most likely going to get like a sunglasses like this, like a DG one. If I were you, I would order a style bundle. Look at all these glasses. I have my bat robes. Over here, I have my Hello Kitty TV that needs to be fixed because when I turn it on, it has like a line. I'm not going to turn it on because there's no outlet nearby, but yeah, it's just there for decoration with a remote. Painting that someone of my past made for me. Let's just put it like that. A Bratz board with baby me on it. Yeah, this is an old picture of me, an old picture of my ex-teacher. All of my PJs here. Well, we're back to the closet. Most of my shoes are down here. Down here I have my earrings. Here I have my belt buckles. Sure, I showed you guys this in my house tour video. This one is cool. It lights up. Here, a pair of Uggs that I found just a few days ago. I was so happy when I found them because I've been wanting a pair of tall boots, like, well, tall Ugg boots. I almost forgot to show you guys this part. Here I have all of my prized possessions displayed. My baby Phat mini handbag, gold baby Phat waist chain seen on the runway. This one is the same exact one. I have another baby Phat waist chain, the color silver. This faux LV juicy bowler bag in brown and pink, so gorgeous. This watch here is from someone of my past as well. Charm bracelet. I had another charm bracelet like back in the day. Then I bought this one off like maybe Facebook Market. And then I don't know if you guys are catching it, but you see this one, you see this charm, like a best friend charm. It's like a half of a heart. Well, I bought this, I'd want to say 2014. 2013, 2014, my ex-best friend has the other half. And I bought them for a lot of money, I remember. The baby Phat pink bag that I would never sell. Here are the sneakers that my future baby is gonna wear. Baby Phat as well. Got my juicy daydreamer bag in the color yellow. It's a wrap for the room tour. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you do, like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And should I do a breakdown video on how to build your Y2K room? I feel like you guys would really love that. So let me know. Bye for now. See you in the next one.